guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a dessert. I told you guys something sweet was next, and it is a peanut butter frosted brownie. Oh my gosh, am I excited to try this. I made it a couple weeks ago for my husband, and we just cut it into 9 squares, put some of them in the freezer so that we weren't pigging out on them all in the same week, and oh my gosh, are they a treat. Stick around while I make them for you. All right, we're gonna start off with the 2 tablespoons of butter. Forgot the egg in the bowl. We need 1/4 cup of sugar. And it says to cream that together. Add in the egg. I'm gonna mix that in. Clean up the sides. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ooh, that was a lot. One cup of almond flour. Quarter cup of cocoa powder. Pinch of salt. And we are going to give that a mix. And then we are going to add 1 handful of stevia sweetened chocolate chips. And just fold that in. All right, I messed up in TV land. We forgot to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. That's fine, I can add it now. I'll just mix it thoroughly. There you go. Now we're done. Next, we're going to spray our baking tray and pour it in. Now that I've got this all spread out, I'm going to throw it in my preheated oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. All right, so the brownies only ended up needing about 14 minutes. I guess this pan made it a little thinner than it usually is. I normally use the 8x8, but right now that one I left at my girlfriend's house, so I use this one, and it's longer, so it had to be a little bit thinner. Okay, so I decided to try something different with this one. We are going to be actually trying like a poke cake kind of thing with it. So what I'm going to do is use my fork, and I'm going to poke holes while it's still hot. That right there, that's just a snack for the chef. All right, so for this peanut butter glaze, we're gonna need 1/2 cup of coconut oil, and a half a cup of all natural peanut butter. And I like to add, for sweetness, 3 squirts of liquid stevia. I put that crap in everything. And we're just gonna give this a mix. And now that that is totally smooth, we are going to pour it on the warm brownie. All right, now we're just gonna set this in the fridge until it hardens, and we'll give it a taste test once it's cooled. Hey guys, so now we are all done. They are cooled down, looking good. We are going to run a knife along the edges and cube it up. All right, so I cut them all up into about 10 squares. I'm gonna try the final product. So chocolatey. I should eat that whole thing. Alright everybody, today we made your chocolate and peanut butter dreams come true. That is all for today. Make sure and like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you ASAP.